This is Prabhakar, and you're watching Daisy Babu. So basically, I am seeing like this kind of images from like last past 2 to 3 days on my Facebook account. Like बहुत सारे लोगों ने ये use किया है, and I want as a SEO guy I wanted to research like ये क्या है क्या नहीं. So I just search this hashtag and I know about like how this is happening and how it is working and what is the main reason behind of this. So like you guys also can just search like Dettol salutes and you will know about like what is the main reason or motive behind that. So the basic motto which I understand that they just wanted to give a tribute to the uh, COVID helpers, like who help the COVID patients or who help in their communities. So it's a basically salute to the COVID heroes. So like everyone can create like this kind of icon. You just need to search dettolsalutes.com. You just have to enter on this. For more detail you can uh, click on any button and you will know like what is the main reason or motive behind of this kind of things, right? So like when you land up to the dettolsalutes.com, you just need to click on accept button. The process is very easy and just you need to click here. And now to generate your custom Dettol protector pack, you just need to click here. Now you need to create your name. So I'm creating my name Prabhakar Alo, and you have to select the three captions like whatever you wanted to do. So suppose I am selecting this one: your action represent the best in us and therefore deserve the best wishes from us, right? And now you just need to click on next button. After that you need to upload the images of protector, like which images you want to have your have your images in that logo, sorry, Dettol salute hand wash, right? So I'm adding this images. Now you need to crop these things, and I've selected. So basically it look like this. Now you need to click on the next button. Now they are collecting also emails, so you can see like you have already created this kind of images, right? But my name, this logo is not going good, so you need to select good images and you need to add. Okay, now I am entering my email ID and my name, and just check this box and finish. So I guess my internet is not stable, that's why it's happening. After this finish you will get a email, and you will download this icon, and this they will send like detailsalutes.com will send you the images in PNG format, and you can upload and bust on your FB account or LinkedIn account or wherever you want to share those images. So yeah, this is the very basic process. If you wanted to create your Dettol salute icon or something like this, then you just need to follow these three steps. So I guess I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, so my network is back again. So like they are saying like thank you for participating in Dettol salutes initiative and sharing it your protector story. Like we will email you virtual Dettol protector in next 5 hours, and now you just need to click here. So yeah, that's it. Now you can check your email and you will get this kind of PNG. Okay, so thank you guys. If you find this video useful, so like the video and share with your friends. Thank you.